Hello guys, today I need to make this video because my brother is just disappearing and done disappearing. Her last account was deleted and another one, and this is the third one. I don't know why. And my channel just deleted one time. I mean my Roblox account just deleted one time.
And me,
Yeah, and my brother is playing now. He's about to cry when he don't know how to open Roblox.
yes.
So I helped her.
But I'm a noob now.
Yeah, he's a noob now. the, there's a tsunami.
Yo, I'm too tall. What? One block? I'm just one blocking that, bro.
Wait, I cannot okay. Wee.
I fall.
What's up, Dustin Yaman? Yuppie.
I fall.
By the way, this is amazing now.
Where is the killer?
Um,
I forgot there is a time.
yeah.
Because I'm playing this all day. Big brother.
You're just forgetting this. You don't want to play. Why are you saying now you want to play?
Because
Are you
I want to
serious?
play.
You're gonna get red my favorite color.
Oopsies.
You're gonna make a farm in the remaining parts of my
I
house.
don't want farms. That's poopy.
We need to save the world. Did you know that? That is how to save the world. We need to plant plants. So, oh no, rising lava.
Oh no.
That is a new effect.
Yes, that is. Why?
Oh,
Why?
you died?
No, no. I'm not
I'm
good.
not.
I'm just in the top.
I'm top in my house. Just climbing up to my there.
I
What is this?
survived. Survived.
What the heck? Ganito.
You just
What's
say.
happened to my house?
What did you say?
Someone.
I don't know that word.
What did I send? What did I say?
What did I say?
What did I say?
That I did. I. What you said, bro? What you said?
What the? I think you're just the baby.
I shred the baby.
Ugh.
I shred the baby. I'm gonna make myself. No, no, no. Guess my house is cooler. My house is cooler than you.
Look at my house. It's all tall. I have a balcony. What the heck is that?
Yes.
That is just a
Yo,
butt and a poop.
the noobies. I, I, I died because of the noobies.
Uh,
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm out.
They are not getting me.
Ow.
They are us. They are us.
By the way, there's a tornado.
Where? Tornado of noobs. Oh, sorry.
I want to make something.
I burped.
Ah,
I burped.
I want to
Yo.
make a bunk bed.
Bunk bed.
Oh, let's go with
What
it in
is
here.
that? about
Let's go. What are you?
But what is
Oh,
bread? I know bread from.
he only knows bread, then all of the sprouts.
No, I know Pinky and Simon and Orange and
Orange, orange.
oh my god and Ready and
Ready.
Clock
My favorite.
and Funbot and Fun Computer and Mr. Black
On it.
and
Light.
Devin and Wanda and Gray.
By the way, when there's a killer,
Yeah, because
Black made them infected.
yes, and you know the Spooky Infected. They are all big mouth.
Yeah.
It's look like they are eating food.
Benny. No, my best friend Benny. Now from school. What happened to you, Benny? Hey,
They are in my butt, boy.
let me see. Oh.
I'm
Wow.
gonna go up. I'm gonna kill them.
Your house is just none.
I'm dying. I'm dying.
You died.
Hello, mom.
So just make kitchen. I have another kitchen down. There, what?
Oopsies. I'm ready.
By the way, I don't know
Why did
why.
I die again?
Yo,
It's
survive the
getting
killers. 4, 3, 2, 1. Eh, nabot. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, I almost died.
But it's a bad word, bro. Bro. Oopsies.
I want to make something.
I see lock.
Hmm. Come here. My poopy worm. I'm pooping.
Worms.
Eh. But
Mm.
no, this is.
Do you know?
Oh, this is the one.
Do you know Spooky Time?
Spunky, spunky, spunky.
Get that, eat that, eat that.
I need to delete this. This is just ruining my plan.
I'm a stick again.
Delete.
Why
Oh,
I am the first cake? I'm the cake man.
I need just to
Boy,
put something
king.
here.
Yes, sir.
Color white.
Brother.
Oh, but what the heck is that?
There is Momo.
That's stone cat. Oh no.
That is Momo.
The heck is this?
I'm just here waiting.
I'm gonna just watch in the window. Ooh,
I'm gonna just bala bala.
that man's house is amazing. Wow, I'm just a building.
I have a gunzo.
I have a nook. I buy the nook. Actually, I'm pranking my brother. I'm gonna bomb everyone.
Don't bomb me, bro.
Mega gun. I bombed everyone.
I'm just kidding about that.
Flower. Choky.
It's time for me to build a house.
Your house is just pink.
Yeah, that is my favorite color.
Your favorite color is blue, right?
Yes, but I know my favorite color is
Burp.
I burp.
He goggles.
Soro.
Mm. Zoro.
Zohoro.
Patotoy.
My classmate. Zahara. It's my birthday.
I don't care. I don't care about you. Ooh, yeah. I don't wanna for Christmas everything. Need to delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete
Who's
this.
that?
Delete
It's
this.
Freddy
Delete this.
Fazbear.
Delete this. Delete this.
What is
Ooh,
that sound? So
that's so creepy.
easy to kill.
What is that?
It's Freddy Fazbear.
What the? I thought you don't know that.
I know Freddy Fazbear.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, what the? It scared me. That scared me.
that scared my thing.
Put the black. Put the black. I'm in the other place right now with my brother.
Yo.
I'm gonna just make this a base. I don't want you. Honest though. There's a door here, and you're gonna be welcome.
Kapasta.
Welcome everybody.
Into kapasta.
What the heck is this door? It's so bad. This door is so bad. I need to delete this. Yuck.
I'm making my house so small.
Why?
Because it's cool. Oopsies.
Oh yeah, it's just the same. So that's yucky.
I'm gonna just kill the killers except
Color white.
my house is so
Ooh,
cool.
do
Look
you-
at it.
Wow, it's pink. What the heck is that? Huh? It's coming up to me.
It's demon.
I know that's Slenderman.
No,
You know
that's
that.
demon.
But you know that
This is demon.
you're gonna kill it. But why did you
Yo,
name it?
yo.
Mini skin. Gonna make this base bigger as I can.
I cannot die like this.
1, 2, 3.
There is more.
1, 2. Perfect. Next to do the other part.
I'm gonna
Need to delete this.
Yo, that's perfect.
I fill this again.
My life is so good now. Ouch.
I'm just making this. By the way, if you
I'm
want
gonna
to see,
break this.
by the way guys,
Like
if you want to see my break-in-one story, please like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm begging.
Oopsies. I broke the
I need to delete.
Why
Next,
did I make
delete.
the lampas?
What the heck is that word?
I don't know. I just learned it from Philippines.
Oh yeah, we know the words of Philippines
Yeah.
because when a day when we are start the vlog, we are in Philippines,
Yeah.
but we got to
The
USA.
yes. We learn some USA
words. Yeah.
and
And
we learn Philippines.
well, actually, we're from Philippines. We know words of USA, so yeah, that's why we can talk like easy peasy.
What is just happened, bro? You just explode something.
What? You gonna?
You are trying to explode me.
What are you doing? I'm just building here. What?
I see you.
That's not me. Because
Then what are you?
I'm jumping.
I see you, bro.
Yeah, I'm spanning my base.
You are broke.
No, I don't.
You are broke. You are broccoli.
In
Okay.
here, I want
No
to.
one can go it to my house.
I'm gonna make my this a
Gonna make
swimming
the
pool.
kitchen.
I have
By
two
the way.
swimming pools. Maybe I don't need to swim more. What am I supposed to do here?
I'm gonna make the kitchen.
Kung Fu. Let's go make this
I'm gonna
my
make
room.
the
This is my bedroom. This is my brother's bedroom. And because he is my soldier, come to my house. You are my soldier. I'm gonna use this blue.
Why can I go in your house?
Please. Oh, come, come. Oh, oh no. Let me just make you a friend.
I died again.
White glass. Come to my base now.
Sassy.
You're gonna be my soldier. If you die, I will die. Because I'm team. Because I'm team. Because sometimes if I have enough of building, I will help you.
Wow. What is your house?
Just climb. What are you doing?
The toilet.
No.
I'm gonna poo
Don't poop.
I'm gonna poo
Hey.
Why there is no toilet paper?
Because I ruined it.
You broke it.
Maybe.
I need some onions.
I need your pep.
Where are you? What did you say?
Nothing. I
You
did.
say P-E-P-E.
What does that mean?
Pepe.
Guys, say it in the comment, please. I don't know what that means.
That means
Imposter
Pepe.
is here. Run to my...
Where's your balcony? You lampas.
You keep saying Philippine words. Can you please say something like,
America.
yeah,
Sosobong ko. Kasi bro.
okay. Come to my room right now. I see you in my balcony. This is our viewing area. Red and blue.
Pew.
So this is our shooting area.
Yes.
I'm gonna close up all of these parts. So this is
So we
like
cannot
decoration.
fall. Add some windows, boy.
No, we're not put some windows.
We are putting Ramondos.
No, I gonna block kiss you. Do you
No.
want that?
No.
Then what messing around? Let's go. You're my soldier.
Yes.
I know. What are you doing?
I'm jumping.
are you doing? Why did you did that? Hey, just pew it. Hey, pew a mangus. Mangus. Come here. Brother, come here. This is your viewing area. Go there. Hey, come there. Here is your viewing area. Here. Here. No, you're supposed to be here.
Okay. There is Among Us stuff.
That's the boldest basics.
Among Us.
And I guess put some like this.
Mangoes.
So you don't forget that this is your iPhone.
You are so fun.
This is your viewing area. That is the part so you can go.
Wait. What?
Yeah, you're supposed to go there. That is your viewing area. You're there.
Add some dark.
I'm gonna just make this like this.
Make this like.
I folded again.
Something is crying there.
I folded again. You're stuck right now.
Bro.
Let me, because you're my viewer. You need to peel. No! You're my viewer, man.
Why are you drop the dumpty sa doon?
Wait. I cannot peel like that. I keep falling! Tornado! Ah! It's flying me!
Can I die?
I need to restart.
I have so many manons.
Unknowns.
I'm gonna get the pew.
Ooh, you're the only survivor because I locked you.
Why? I'm not the pistol boy.
You're a turret.
I'm just here getting some onions.
Just get the onions.
Wait.
I keep falling.
You are so money.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make some more gear.
I want to spawn there.
T-A. Oh. T-A space A T-A-E space E-K-A. Why can I not get so stupid?
Just pew. You drop.
I you don't
You
my face.
Here. Fight. Just fight.
Okay.
Hey! I see you there.
No, you don't see it.
Ooh, what the? is this?
I cannot kill them.
Ooh.
Why? I cannot go.
You're just there, gonna just protect you. So the first thing we need is to close you. Close
What?
you.
Yo, I gotta stop.
No!
Please.
No, this is your base.
No.
This is your base.
No. How I'm gonna eat?
Please!
Tree.
Base! Base!
There's some girl.
Here, okay. Here. You're the pure man.
Pew pew.
Bye.
Blue. Where are you? I'm gonna kill you.
Cannot feel him now. Bye-bye.
Why? Respawn.
No!
Respawn.
No! No! Here, I'm gonna let you free.
Respawn.
You're free now.
Ligo.
Oh, zombies takbo.
Doopsie.
Yan.
Why can I not go in our housing?
Oh yeah, because I made you I deceived you to the whitelist.
There's zombos.
Please, come.
Zombos.
Come.
There is zombos.
This is your house.
Wait, I cannot go. Hey, the zombos cannot go. I'm gonna poop because I eat some.
Why did you poop?
I'm gonna kill the poo poo. Kill the poo.
Come. This is your new base. I fixed your base. This is so beautiful right now.
Bye.
Come. Come.
What's the house?
You glitch.
Is this your house?
Yeah, that is your house.
Notice.
Climb up.
Where's my hustle? Where's my
Yeah.
hustle?
This is me. This is your house, Philo.
Hustle. I'm
This
gonna
is.
kill.
Tsaka dito ako. Dito ako. Para pag wala. So, if I have no intention of fighting. Oh, I need to restart those.
I'm gonna kill them.
At least I made your base.
Wala yung kinubot mo.
He said he's gonna peel my butt. That is serious. Dun. Hey, peel that. Peel that guy, not me.
I'm gonna eat you. Nom. I'm in your butt. Nom. In your tete.
He says a bad word in the Philippines.
Yeah, tete.
Don't say that. It's time to pew.
It's time to tete.
Ah!
Ouchie. You are so mongo.
Pistol.
Pistol.
Sigma on the wall. Who's the
Kukunin ko
skibidi?
na yung... Ano yun?
There's so many.
Wala dito ibababa.
There's Alexa is here. Wait a minute. I see a little. Take this.
Why?
Delete this. Delete that. Perfect. Now, okay.
I'm gonna go pee.
What's here?
I'm gonna go
spawner. Yay, my spawner. Yuppie, I'm gonna spawn here. So, if I died... what do you... So, brother, if I died, this is my checkpoint. So, even...
Why can't we start? My phone is...
Why are you here?
My phone restarted.
Why are you here? Can I just... Meow, meow.
I cannot open my card dito.
Oh no. Your phone glitched again.
Yes,
You have no Roblox again.
I have no Roblox. I have still
Mm.
Roblox. I have Roblox. Stupid. I have Roblox. Why?
Well, my brother is gone, and I'm gonna be gone.
Nah. I ain't going back to start it.
Bye bye.